Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in St. Pete Beach, Florida. It is June 5th around 12:20 in the afternoon. It is a hot day, so let's go see what the beach looks like today. So this is Gulf Boulevard, and I actually came here early today and got a spot. And when I came here about 10:40, these two lines of cars right here were completely empty. Can't believe all these parking spots at not even 11 o'clock in the morning. So the early bird catches the worm. So I know I say in other videos that it's hard to find a spot here. That's because I normally come to the beach like 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday, and I just waste 20 minutes just trying to find a spot. But the early bird gets the worm, so if you come here early enough, you will find spots.
Press green button. Okay. Enter space. No.
Okay, so a lot of people here at the beach right now. The parking lot is full. People trying to find spots, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. And like I said, it's 12 o'clock, so come early if you want spots. Now, I'm not a morning person. The only reason I'm out here this early is because I have family visiting me, and he's an early riser, so I figured I'd come take him out here. I wasn't even planning on going to St. Pete Beach because I figured it would be too packed, but I just wanted to have a look, and he wanted to stop at Walgreens on the way. And when I saw all those parking spots, I figured I might as well come to St. Pete Beach because it's closer and it's a little, I guess, more happening. So let me go put my shoes away and go walk in the water and see what it looks like. So let's take a walk and see how good this water is. So yesterday was really cloudy. We had a whole lot of rain. It almost looked like a tornado or something. I was coming over the bridge from Tampa. And now today, while there are some clouds out here, it looks like we're gonna have a lot of good hours of good sunny beach day here. And there is a lot of people in the water, as there should be. Now let's see. This water is perfect right now. Very clear, very warm. You know, what else can you say about it? But you just want to just jump right in. That's how nice it is. So yeah, a lot of people out here today. I know if you're vacationing out here, you might have seen yesterday and said, oh my God, all these clouds, all this rain, my vacation is ruined. But the way Florida is, especially in the summer, you might see clouds most of the day. And out of, you know, from 10 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the afternoon, it might threaten to rain, but it doesn't. And then it rains for maybe half an hour, and then an hour after that, it's completely dry and everything is all sunny again. So don't let that discourage you from coming to the beach. If you see clouds in the morning or you see some forecast, my cousin's weather forecast said 60% chance of rain today. And this is while we were sitting at his hotel yesterday while it was pouring. So it wasn't looking good, but now you see mostly clear skies, at least over the beach. You have some clouds over there, but they don't look like big rain clouds. So don't get discouraged if you see clouds in the morning. You see a bad forecast, come to the beach anyway, and you'll most likely be pleasantly surprised. So it's shaping up to be a real nice day here. I think I'm going to stay here till at least 3 o'clock or so. And straight up ahead is Treasure Island Beach, and they got those slides over there. I did a video on that also if you want to see what Treasure Island looks like. So guys, this is a look at St. Pete Beach in June. Great water. Even with a few clouds out here, it's still a great day at the beach, so don't let that discourage you. Come on out and check it out. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. I gotta go swimming now. It is too hot. Thanks for watching.